Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Brown color, brown color. Blue color, blue color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for ant. It's again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color. Yellow color. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use green color. Green color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids neither G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids neither K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use blue color. Blue color. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use blue color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And again use red color. Red color. Kids now draw M. Kids again use red color and draw N. N for nest, N for nose. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use yellow color. Yellow color. It's again use yellow color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. It's neither Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. It's neither S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. It's neither U. U for umbrella. And use brown color. Brown color. The alphabets of U. Kids again use brown color and draw V. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. It's neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of W. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids neither Y. Y for yolk. The alphabets of Y. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw Y. Z. Z for zebra. Last we draw Z. Kids, today we draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yolk, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.